Hello everyone! So for today's video ay i-record ko yung aking Chinese lines kasi sa FTX kasi kailangan naming matutong mag-Chinese. So this is only exclusive for FT teachers, PE and FTX teachers na matuto kaming mag-Chinese ng mga selected lines only for greetings, wrap up, for encouragement, and for giving students instructions. Kasi for regular and fixed students natin, hindi po tayo pwedeng mag-Chinese kahit na your target is just to build up rapport to your students. Kasi mag-QA tayo, bawal po yun. Pero for the free trial lessons, para mag-gain namin yung heart ng student at saka ng parents kasi they are potential enrollees of the platform. So we are taught or we have undergone trainings for some selected lines only, especially that we are dealing mostly with the level 0 students. So ngayon, magre-record ako ng requirements ko. Pero hindi dapat lahat ng mga words in our free trial in Mandarin or in Chinese kasi syempre, if you're going to teach the student on the target words, phrases, and sentences, hindi po pwede na mag-Chinese kami. So, yung mga lines na tinuro sa amin, yun yung para bang dialect nila, yung equivalent lang ng Tagalog, very common na ginagamit nila for instructions. So, true to all na lines of Chinese. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-Chinese ha. So, effort na effort talaga si Teacher Trisha Regine na gawin itong video na ito. Okay, let's begin. Hello, ni hao. What's your name? Ni jiao shama menzi? You are cute. Ni zhen kouai. Read after me. Gen wo du. Click. Dian yi sha. Circle. Chen qilai. Again or one more time. Zai lai yi bian. Louder, please. 大声一点. You did a good job. 你真棒. Come on. 加油. Speak louder. 大声说. Nice. Great. 很好. Keep learning. 珍惜学习. See you next time. 下次见. I like you. 我很喜欢你. Thank you. 谢谢你. Goodbye. 再见. Okay, so those are the Chinese lines that we are taught here in FTX. So, wag niyo yung gagayahin lalo na sa mga regular classes at saka sa mga fixed classes niyo, teachers. Those lines are only exclusive for the free trial teachers or for free trial lessons to gain the heart of the students and also to gain the heart of the parents. Kasi at the end of the class kasi namin sa free trial lesson ay nakikipag-usap kami sa mga parents for soft selling our company. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye-bye. 再见.